Hello, beautiful people out there. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. So, in today's video, we will be making, freezing, and also cooking meatball or kofta at the same time. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. So, let's get started. So, the ingredients for this recipe are half a kg mince, one medium-sized onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. And you will also need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 spring onion, and 1 green chili, as well as 2 to 4 tablespoons of roasted gram flour, and lastly 1 egg. For the next step, you will need a food processor to blend everything smooth together. So the things you will have to do is add everything in the food processor and blend it until the mixture becomes smooth enough. Then turn off the blender. I will be adding all to my hand before making the balls because otherwise it will just stick to my hand. So make the meatball of your choices. If you want to make some big meatball, then make a big. I'm going for medium size, and if you want small, you can also make small. And after that, after making all the balls, we are going to fry them up for around 30 seconds on each side and let them cool down for around 10 to 20 minutes. And then we will add these, I don't know how many times did I said and then, but never mind. And we will add these meatballs to a Ziploc bag and freeze it. But I'm going to start cooking it. So for cooking these meatballs, I mean the meatball, for meatball curry, you will need the things are 1 medium-sized onion paste and 1 large-sized tomato paste, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And you will also need a 1/4 cup of oil, and of course meatball. For the spices, you will need are around half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili. If you want more to be more spicy, then add more of the chili powder, and 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder, as well as 1 green chili. So what I'm going to do is to add oil to the pot now and let it heat up. And after it heat up, I'm going to add cumin seed and onion paste to it. Then I'm going to mix it for a while, and then I'm going to add ginger garlic paste to it and mix it again. And now I'm going to cook it around, like when it turned brown. And then after it turned brown, I'm going to add this tomato paste to it as well and cook it around for 4 to 5 minutes until you can see it's nice brown color and oil is releasing to the sides and on top. That's when we will check. And now please check if everything is okay. I mean, remember to check if the spices or salt is alright. And yes, I think it's good. It's perfect. Now I'm going to add these green chilies to it as well, and also meatball to it. And I'm going to gently mix it. And please don't over mix it because the meatball will break. So try to be very gentle with it and cook it for around 3 to 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add around a cup of water to make the gravy. You can add more water if you want the gravy to be runny, or add like me. I'm just going to add 1 cup if you want it in the middle, like not too thick or not too runny. Cook it for, I'm going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes again until it's done. As we can see, it's done now. I'm going to turn off the flame, and guys, it smells so delicious here. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.